Introduction: The rise of AI-powered entrepreneurship. In an era where the cost of living continues to rise and job security feels more like an illusion than a guarantee, millions of people are looking for ways to break free from the daily grind. They want time freedom, location freedom, and financial freedom. And in 2025, artificial intelligence has become the most powerful tool to achieve it. This is where Jonathan Montoya enters the picture. A former electrical engineer turned seven-figure affiliate marketer, Montoya walked away from his six-figure corporate job to build an online business that allowed him to work from anywhere. Over the years, he's helped thousands of students do the same through his training programs, most famously the Freedom Breakthrough series. Now, Montoya has taken everything he's learned and combined it with the power of AI to create the AI Freedom Launchpad, a course, system, and toolkit designed to help everyday people start and grow a profitable online business in record time. The promise is bold. You can launch a fully functional, AI-powered affiliate marketing business in as little as 48 to 72 hours, even if you've never made a dollar online before. But does the AI Freedom Launchpad actually deliver on that promise? In this review, I'll break down the entire program, what's inside and how it's structured, the AI tools and automation it provides, the marketing strategies it teaches, the level of support you get, the pros, cons, and real student results. Whether or not it's worth your investment, let's start by looking inside. Step 2. Program Overview. The AI Freedom Launchpad isn't just a course, it's a complete business in a box. It gives you the training, tools, and templates to set up an automated affiliate marketing system powered by AI core structure. The program is delivered in short, actionable video lessons, usually 10 to 15 minutes long. Each module ends with a clear action step so you never wonder, what do I do next? Modules include Foundations and Mindset, understanding the business model and setting realistic expectations. AI Business Blueprint, mapping out your business strategy with AI as your co-pilot. Funnel building, using done-for-you templates and AI-generated copy to launch your site. Content automation, how to produce endless content with ChatGPT, Canva, and scheduling tools. Traffic generation, organic and paid strategies, with a heavy focus on short-form video. Email marketing, using AI to create high-converting sequences. Scaling and optimization. Advanced tactics to grow beyond your first $5,000 a month. Done-for-you resources. Pre-built funnels. Email sequences ready for customization. Prompt library for ChatGPT social media content calendar, video script templates, lead magnet templates. The tech stack is beginner-friendly, and Montoya's tutorials show you exactly how to integrate everything. Step 3. AI-powered tools and automation. The standout feature of this program is how deeply AI is integrated into every business task. Primary tools include ChatGPT for email copy, ad copy, funnel text, blog posts, and video scripts. Canva for graphics, ebooks, and branded content. CapCut for editing short-form videos with AI-generated captions. Email autoresponders. GetResponse, ConvertKit, or Aweber for automation. The prompt library is worth its weight in gold. Instead of figuring out what to ask ChatGPT, you simply paste in a proven prompt designed to produce high-converting output. Example: write a persuasive email introducing a free training on making money online with AI. Make it conversational, friendly, and beginner-friendly. In less than a minute, you have a professional-grade email ready to go. This integration of AI drastically cuts setup time, turning a process that could take weeks into a 1 to 3 day launch. Step 4. Business strategy and monetization. While the AI tools make execution easier, the real money comes from the strategy Montoya teaches. The business model is affiliate marketing, with options for both high-ticket and low-ticket products. Affiliate Marketing 101. You promote products you don't own and earn commissions when someone buys through your link. Montoya focuses on high-ticket programs, Recurring commission offers digital products with high margins, funnels and conversions. You drive traffic to a lead magnet funnel, collect emails, nurture leads with automated sequences, make offers at the right time. Traffic strategies: organic, TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, paid, Facebook ads, YouTube ads. Sales psychology: Montoya's strategy isn't about hard selling. Instead, it focuses on providing value first, positioning yourself as a guide, using AI to handle common objections in advance. Step 5. Community support. The AI Freedom Launchpad includes private Facebook group, daily engagement, Q&A threads, and networking. Weekly live calls. Montoya answers student questions and reviews funnels. Peer support. Active members share wins, tips, and AI prompt ideas. This community aspect is vital. Many students say they would have quit without the encouragement and feedback here. Step 6. Ease of use and beginner friendliness. This program is designed for non-techies. Pre-built funnels mean no coding or design needed. AI handles the writing and creative work. Video lessons are short and to the point. Checklists make sure nothing gets missed. If you can follow step-by-step instructions and copy-paste text, you can implement this program. Step 7. Pros and cons. Pros. Combines AI plus affiliate marketing into a beginner-friendly system. Done-for-you funnels, emails, and scripts save time. Strong community and weekly coaching calls. Covers both organic and paid traffic strategies. Prompt library removes AI learning curve. Cons. Not 100% set and forget. You still need to put in daily effort. Requires monthly tool costs, overwhelming for those expecting instant results. Step 8. Student results and testimonials. Many students launch within 72 hours and start seeing leads within a week. Examples: Sarah K. quit her part-time retail job after hitting $3,000 a month in 4 months. James L. generated 1,200 leads in his first 60 days using AI scripts for TikTok. Melissa P. closed 4 high-ticket sales in her first month. Not everyone hits big numbers fast, but those who consistently follow the steps see steady growth. Step 9. Value versus investment. The AI Freedom Launchpad is priced competitively compared to similar programs like Legendary Marketer or ALSP, yet includes more done-for-you AI integration. You'll also need Funnel Builder email marketing software. Given the tools, training, and support, the value is strong, especially if you commit to implementation. Step 10. Final verdict and conclusion. The AI Freedom Launchpad is one of the most practical, execution-focused AI marketing programs available in 2025. Best for beginners who want to start fast with AI and affiliate marketing. 9-to-5 workers seeking a side income that can scale creators who want to automate their content output. Not for people unwilling to put in consistent effort, those looking for instant riches. Experienced marketers who already have systems in place. Rating: 9 out of 10 bottom line. If you want a clear AI-powered path to building an online business, with minimal tech overwhelm and a supportive community, the AI Freedom Launchpad is worth serious consideration.